Hello everyone, here I am back with the part 2 of Geography, chapter number 1, India, its location and size. In previous video, I told you about the size of the India and the location of the India and about the latitudes and longitudes. It is the recap of the previous video so that you can get a warm up for this video. Now you have to study more about the longitude as these imaginary lines are very important to find any place in the country or to find any of the country on the world map or any other place. Longitudes, the lines running towards north to south, these lines are imaginary and these are 360 in numbers. These lines represents the time of a place. Why these lines are important for us? Through these lines we can find out a particular place, and these lines also represents the time of a place. And time is very important for us. Without time, without clock, we cannot do anything. If we, even a country or any of the thing cannot run in a proper manner. Why, that I will be telling you further also. These longitudes are also called meridians. We also used to call it the meridians. So then every longitudes has its own times. The longitudes, there are 360 longitudes, but all these longitudes are having their own particular time, because when the earth rotates, everyone knows that earth's two types earth's movements are there, revolution and the rotation. So when the earth rotates on its axis, in its rotation it passes 1 degree in 4 minutes. 1 degree in 4 minutes means the longitudes which are starting from the 0 degree Celsius to 1 2 3 4 to the 360. So when it passed from 0 to 1, it means 4 minute the earth crossed. Then again it is passing 2 to 3, then again it crossed the 4 minutes. If from the in total 0 to 3, it becomes total 12 minutes, means every the difference between two longitudes there is the 4 minute time. And in this way all the time periods are settled of the particular longitude. These time is also called the local time. The particular longitude which is having the time period, that time is called the local time. But in our country we follow a standard time. We cannot follow a local time period. Why, that I will be telling you also. Let's move towards about it. That the longitudes, where the longitudes begins, that is called the prime meridian. It is very important. Prime meridian you must have studied in the previous classes also. Prime meridian, from where the longitudes are started. The longitude is started from the 0 degree, that's why prime meridian is on the 0 degree. So from the 0 degree it passes through the Greenwich, London. The place where it passes, that the name of the place is Greenwich, London. It has made to provide standard meridian to the world. Why it has been made? ये प्राइम मेरिडियन क्यों बनाया गया? What is the reason behind it? It has been made to provide the standard meridian to the world, maintain standard time in a particular country. See students, every meridian is having a local time period, but it is not possible to follow the local time period everywhere. Suppose in India there are 30 longitudes are passing. Every longitude is having its own time. So it's not possible na, that in Gujarat the clock is showing some other time, and in the Uttar Pradesh it is some other time. Then in the Meghalaya, Mizoram, and in the eastern portion there is the other time. It's not possible to follow it. That's why every country needs to make a standard time for its country, and for that all over the world countries decided how to make a standard time in their own countries. So there was a general understanding between these countries, see how to select a prime meridian and how to select a standard meridian. Students, these both are different. Prime meridian is only one, but every country has their own its standard meridian, because due to that standard meridian they follow the standard time. I am telling you, so I am showing you the pictures also so that you can understand it very well. See how it has been selected कि standard meridian क्या होगी. How it is selected. General understanding was that there are so many longitudes and there are so many countries in the world that are so larger, like India also. I told you that 30 longitude passes. 30 means we cannot follow the local time here in the India. If a country is very small and less numbers of longitudes are there, so they maybe can do it, but every country needs a standard time, because they have to do the work internationally also. They have to set a timetable. We have to set a schedule for everything, for transportation, for working, for banking purpose, and all over there are so many things. Without time or without a particular schedule we cannot manage the things in another country. That is why this is something very important to make the standard time in the country. So standard meridian is selected on the basis that the one number is decided, that is the 7.5 degree. 7.5 degree, the multiple of these degree can be the standard meridian of a country. Like 7.5 degree, multiply it by 2, it will becomes 50 degree. In any of the country, if 15 degree longitude is passing, then that country will follow the time of that longitude. That that becomes the standard meridian for the country. That local time will be followed as the whole time for the country. That is why this in this way the standard meridians are made in the countries, and the particular timetable or particular time is followed everywhere. So in this way everyone, all the countries decided that we will keep a particular number to make the standard meridian in the world, and that number is the 7.5 degree. 7.5 degree of what? Of longitude. The longitudes which are numbering there, numbering is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, means they have been taken the starting point for the standard meridian from 7.5 degree, and so on. What is the standard meridian of India? It is 82 degree 30 east. It passes through the Mirzapur, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. And why it is the standard meridian of India? Because it is 82 degree and 30 is the multiple of 7.5 degree, which the world decided that it the multiples of the 7.5 degree will be the standard meridian for a country. So in India there are 30 longitudes, but we are following only one longitude as a standard meridian, and that time of the standard meridian is following in all over the country. Why? Because it is the multiple of the 7.5 degree. That is why we have made it the standard meridian of the country. In this way all over the world every country has made the standard meridian in their country and they followed the time, and in this way the whole international timetable and schedules has been managed, and we came to know that what is the timing in the other countries and the other places. Then what is local time and the standard time? In between these two words came that what is the standard time and what is the local time. Local timing is each and every longitude is having its own time, that is called the local time. But when the time of a longitude is taken for the whole country, if the whole country is following the time of a particular meridian, that becomes the standard time, and that meridian is called the standard meridian. This is called local and the standard timing. Is there time difference in different state in India? Do you know about it? I don't know whether you know it or not, but I am going to tell you that yes, there are the time differences in India also, because there are the huge difference between east to west direction. Here is the east and here is the west. I told you that 30 longitudes in this way. 30 longitudes are passing from India, but we have taken the standard meridian, the number is 82 degree and the 30 east, that is the number standard meridian of India. But if we talk about the local timing, okay, 30 meridian means there must be so many local times in India. So when there is the difference between the timing of Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh, how much? Any idea? It's about 2 hours. There is the time difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh in the same country I am talking. At this time also, in the Gujarat, if it is going on 10, देखो we are not at the Arunachal Pradesh. देखो, if in Arunachal Pradesh at this time it is 10 o'clock, then in Gujarat it is going -2 hours 8 a.m. Why it is so? Because 30 longitudes are passing from the India, and these huge distance of longitude, ये wide distance of between the Gujarat and the Arunachal Pradesh made the time difference in the India also. That is why. So due to the numbers of the longitudes, time may change, but we cannot follow all the times in a country. That is why every country has to select a particular time which can be followed in the country for the whole, so that timetables and the other things can be managed over here easily. I think that it will be clear to you that why the standard time is followed, what is the standard timing and what is the local timing, and what is the importance of the longitude. Then I am told you that what is the importance of the longitude. Longitude is important for the world and for us, because it helps in finding the location of any place, and mainly it describes the time of a place, and without timing we cannot do the things correctly anywhere in the world, in the state, in our home, in our country. Nothing can be done without the timing. Everything is just based on the timing. That's why the timing is very important. So I am giving you a brief of this video again, that what you studied over here today. You studied the what is the longitude and its importance. I told you how this longitude helps us in finding the place and how it describes the time. Then I also told you the prime meridian is situated on the 0 degree on the earth, and It is passes through the Greenwich, London, and it has been made to provide the standard meridian. Means this is the starting point. At 360 degrees are there, so from where we should be starting. So according to the understanding of the countries, they made it the 0 degree prime meridian, and they made the 7.5 is the number for the standard meridian, so that the easily we can make the standard meridian in our country, and the countries can make their timetable and standard time for the countries. Standard meridian of India, then I told you the local time and the standard time. Difference in the states, is there the difference in the timing in the states of the India? Yes, there are. The difference between the states, timing between the states from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the extreme points of west and the east having the difference of the 2 hours. Why? Because there are so many longitudes passing from the India. 30 longitudes you can calculate it, 4 degree from the each, sorry, 4 minutes for the each, 30 longitudes, so 4 into 30 is equals to 120 minutes, and 120 minutes means 2 hours. It's very easy to calculate, easily we can calculate it. So that is why there is the 2 hours difference in the India. And what is the importance of the longitude? It helps in finding location of any place. It also describes the time of a place. So this is enough for the today's video, and thank you so much everyone.